Brazen Hunts Bay cops come under gunfire as a man pulls a gun and tries to settle a spat on the police station compound. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, madness. Government faces fury over traffic court conditions and location.
Andre Jemison has that special Primetime News report. Then later on, no rest for the weary.
Hope Pasture residents say partying on the Hope Gardens property is keeping them awake.
Moving deadline. New timeline proposed for Jamaicans to get compensated for bad gas.
In the business day, the latest gas prices.
There is also the health report, sports and port commentary as well as weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
What are your thoughts on the brazen attack by a gunman at the Hunts Bay police station this afternoon?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.